Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a Tagxedo word cloud. These are really easy to make and use for numerous activities. Some ways that you can use them in a classroom would be to introduce a book of concepts covered in a book that you guys are going to start reading, and students can make predictions. Another way is for students to make a word cloud, adding anything they know about a subject, such as physical science. So let's get started making a Tagxedo cloud. First, you're going to want to go to Tagxedo.com, as you see up here on my screen. From this page, you'll see a blue box where you can create clouds based off information from a URL, a Twitter feed, or other news events. You can also adjust the shape, the color, and the orientation as well. We're going to make a physical science review from a list of words that I typed into a document. We need to click on the Create button in the top left side of our screen. You'll see a generic Tagxedo example come up. For us, we are going to click on the Load button to add words that we would like to have into our word cloud. Since I already typed up my words in a Word document, I can just copy and paste them into our Word box. Here are my list of words. You'll see that I put physical science in there several times, because the more times you put it in there, the larger it will show up in your word cloud. Also, I put the tilde symbol between physical and science to keep those words together in my word cloud. Otherwise, they will show up in different places. Now that we have our words in our box, we're going to hit Submit. Okay, we can close out of there. Now we have several options to the left to customize our cloud. Let's start with the shape of our cloud to something that represents our topic. And you'll scroll through and you have tons of different options. You could also upload your own image to better suit your needs. We are just going to pick a generic word cloud up here at the top. Now we can change the color theme, the font, and orientation of the words just by clicking on the arrow next to each one. Again, you'll get a drop box of options to choose from. If you don't want to use the drop box and you want to choose randomly, you can click on the backward facing arrow next to each one. Once you've picked the font or the color style that you like, you can lock it into place using the lock button next to each category. So if you like your orientation, you can lock it and then change your font. Okay. There's also a button that will randomly change all of the options at one time. So let's scroll through a couple of those and see how it changes them. Notice the color changed from the other one, the orientation or the direction that they're facing, the font. If for whatever reason you want to go back to a word cloud that you had before, you can click in the history box and you'll see all of the word clouds that we've made since we began. So I'm just going to click on this one. If you decide you want to take out a word from your list, you can go into the Word and Layout Options box. Right here, and click on the Skip tab and highlight the word that you want to take out. Then hit Accept. Okay. Once you have your Tagxedo cloud the way you want it, you can click on the Save and Share button on the left. From here, you can print it as well. I'm going to save my Tagxedo as a JPEG. I'm going to put it in pictures. and hit save. So there is my Tagxedo word cloud. I hope the directions are straightforward enough that you can follow them and create your own. Thank you.